Smart LDA is a company that prepares legal documents in a cost-effective manner. We help our clients stay in control of their legal matters while not breaking the bank. Our goal is to provide the highest quality service while still being affordable. Most attorneys charge by the hour, but our company charges a flat fee. We save you a tremendous amount of time, energy, and money. We are legal document assistants bonded and registered in the state of California and authorized to provide this service directly to you. Our clients are assured that they are dealing with a professional service who handles their case in a timely and cost-effective manner. Our owner, Tara Tava, has brought over 15 years of field experience, which includes working under several California top attorneys and a Fortune 500 company. We take great pride in the services we offer, from family law, which includes divorce, child custody, paternity to wills, trust, probate, conservatorship, estate planning, bankruptcy, rental agreements, credit repair, small claims, restraining orders, corporation setup, civil litigation including name changes, as well as unlawful detainer. However, there are some limitations to an LDA. These limitations include 1. An LDA may not give you legal advice, and 2. An LDA may not represent you in court. LDAs are not a replacement for an attorney. Instead, they are an affordable alternative for people who are willing and able to be in charge of their own legal matters. To schedule a free consultation, visit us online at www.smartlda.com or email us at info@smartlda.com.